Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another Good Old Wisco Boys video. Hope you enjoyed that last Outdoors Club edit that I made. It was quick, easy. We didn't have a lot of footage from that day, but we got a lot of fish, so we made it the best of it. Hope you guys like all that. Make sure to leave a like on that video and go check it out if you haven't. Right now I'm here with my brother, Andrew. We fished this in spring and summer. This is right next to our golf course here, but it's outside. This is actually a state park. And we've got these holes here all over the place. We got one tip up in. Andrew caught one little bass. There's a lot of little bass in this pond, but there are at least two verified big bass in here. By big bass I mean maybe a 2-pounder, but it's actually surprisingly deep. During the summer it was packed full of weeds, so you really couldn't tell the depth, but it gets really shallow up near shore. It's sandy, and the bass have their beds there, and all the weeds for cover in here. There's bluegills in here too, and it's just a bass factory almost. But Andrew, you're reading, what depth are you over there? 7.5. Right where our tip up is, we got 8, so it's actually pretty deep here in the middle. Ice is probably about 8 inches. It's not very, it's iffy ice, but we're gonna try and see if we can get these bass to come in. So
okay, we'll move over here. Alright, we're gonna go set up some tip-ups quick. Set one up right here.
let's go. First one on the day. He is a small guy. There we go. Nice little guy. There we go. It's a nice skinny little guy. Actually, he's got a little bit of a gut to him, but
Here comes the fish. Hey.
there we go. Oh, that one smacked it right away. And he released, and the hook came flying up and nailed me.
Again.
Pop. Come on. There you go. Nice job. Thanks for playing. Nice job. Thanks for playing.
Wait, what's the biggest fish you caught out of this? 18.
Probably like a 17. Andrew, tip up. Andrew. You got some? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. All of that struggle for that. For you, stinker. guys, that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We had fun out there. It was a short-lived trip, but it was starting to get cold. It's supposed to get into the negatives tonight. Surprisingly, it went from 40 last weekend to negative already on Thursday of this week. So weather's changing here in Wisconsin, all over the place, and we just decided to go out. School got canceled today, so we came out and fished that pond. We've had luck with it before, so we just kept going, and we caught some bass, and it wasn't that bad. So we'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.